Hey everyone, want to take control of your finances? Creating a budget in Excel is super easy and flexible. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to make a simple, effective budget that works for you. So let's get started. First, create your income section. Label a few rows for all your income sources like salary, freelance work, or other streams. Enter the amounts in the column next to each source. This will give you a clear picture of your total monthly income. Next, create an expenses section. Break it down into categories like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Enter the amounts you spend or expect to spend each month. Now, calculate totals. Use the sum function to add up your income and expenses. For example, type equals sum, select the range of income cells, and press enter. Do the same for expenses. Yeah, this helps you see everything at a glance. Next, calculate your balance. Subtract total expenses from total income using a simple formula. Equals total income minus total expenses. This tells you if you're saving money or overspending. To make your budget easier to read, you can use conditional formatting. Select your balance cell, go to Home Arrow Conditional Formatting, and choose a color scale or rules. For example, green for positive balance, red for negative. Finally, make your budget dynamic. Update income and expenses each month, and Excel will automatically recalculate totals and balance. You can even add charts to visualize trends. Yeah, this makes it much easier to stay on top of your finances. And that's it. With this simple setup, you can easily create and manage a budget in Excel. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.